Hey guys, welcome into another monthly portfolio update. As you can see, my stocks are down $1,958 this month. The market has been a bit all over the place, having like a big rally and then dropping back off again. So yeah, quite a bit going on. My stock portfolio is now down $26,601 or 42.2%. I've put $63,000 in, and the current portfolio worth is $36,399. I haven't had the opportunity to put more money in this month. I've just had lots of other expenses, and my wage is also decreased at the moment due to training for a new job. So yeah, unable to put money in at the moment, unfortunately, because really good deals around at the moment. My house has gone down to 620,000, which puts my net worth down to 300,000. Crypto is also down a bit this month. My crypto portfolio is at $2,804. But I also have like $6,000 or $7,000 worth of Ethereum that I have mined, but I don't include that in this total. Yeah, so our portfolio is down 5% this month. So looking at the indexes, 5.5% on the S&P 500, 8.5% on the Nasdaq, and 5.07 on the Russell. So I'm pretty much in line with the Russell 2000 index, which kind of tracks because most of my stocks are, most of them are smaller cap. Sorry. Yeah, so like Corsair, Tattooed Chef, they're like pretty small cap stocks, and those are my largest two positions. Palantir is a bit bigger, but then yeah, Honest, Smart Club, Planet 13, all like pretty small stocks. Yeah, having a look at how my stocks performed this month. So we've got Corsair down 9%, Tattooed Chef 9% down, Palantir down 34.6% this month. So Palantir was doing like pretty damn well since the lows, up 70% from the lows that it hit back in May. But yeah, obviously it's just dropped back off now. So pretty horrible month for Palantir. 1.15% up on Honest, 17% down on Smart Club, 15.7% down on Fiverr, and 26% down on Planet 13. And yeah, you may notice that all of these pretty much are down, except for Honest, are down over 5%. So how is the portfolio only down 5% this month? I would have to attribute that to US dollar to New Zealand dollar conversion. Yeah, sometimes it just affects the value of the portfolio, which is a little bit confusing, so it's hard to calculate in, but yeah, there is that conversion which makes the numbers a little bit messy, which is annoying, but it is what it is. Yeah, these are the positions I have in my Hatch account. So yep, still super red, over 50% on all of them, getting destroyed, and Sharesies looks pretty much the same. I'm not going to log back in though. And yeah, this graph that we like to look at, the forward PEs, I think those ones aren't quite as up to date as these ones up here. I think this one's the most up to date. Yeah, so 2nd of September, maybe they are just the same date, but yeah, you can see the forward PEs for small caps here. So yeah, we're trading historically low, not quite as low as we were just a couple months ago, but yeah, super low. There was a spike back up, and now yeah, headed back down. Similar thing for the mid caps, and large caps are still like not trading historically low. They're just kind of around what would be considered average for the past like 15 years or so. So yeah, it's not super good value territory on the large caps, but the small caps definitely are, and mid caps are as well. I would love to be putting some more money in at the moment, but yeah, I don't really have the money to put in at the moment due to decreased wages, and also yeah, a bunch of other expenses that are just coming up. going to be traveling overseas for a little bit at some point, and yeah, having to spend lots of money on flights. Flights are pretty expensive at the moment. Yeah, the crypto portfolio is also down a few $100 this month. Yeah, crypto's been pretty up and down, kind of taken a hammering, but also recovering quite nicely. Like Ethereum specifically, Ethereum was a bit crazy. We got all the way down as low as $993 back in June, and then it doesn't show on this graph, but it did go above $2,000. So there was a over 100% move from the lows in June to the highs in August. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't look like that much when you zoom out. You're like, wow, we used to be up there. We went from here up to here. That's actually 100% gain. So yeah, we lost a bit of that. Ethereum's gone down about 25% since then, but yeah, still 100% gain in there. So if anyone did like bought in there, they did really well. Then again, we don't know if that's going to be the bottom or if it's going to go lower. Who knows? The markets seem to be pretty volatile at the moment, and there's still a lot of catalysts to come, and we don't know when those catalysts will all be priced in. But with crypto, there is a pretty interesting catalyst coming up soon, with Ethereum moving to proof of stake instead of proof of work. So that one will be really interesting because it's kind of huge. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap and popularity. So it's going to be pretty big, I think, especially for me as a crypto miner. It's going to be a pretty big event. We'll see how that goes, and I'll probably talk about it because it's due to happen in about 2 weeks or so, so probably talk about it in the next video. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this video. A little bit of red, nothing too interesting this week, nothing crazy volatile, but yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day. See ya.